Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be all about Nykaa and Purple haul. So I had ordered few of the products from this summer sale from Nykaa and Purple, and I'm so excited to show you guys what all I received. So without wasting much time, let's begin with the video. So the very first product is from Insight. This is their Insight Makeup Essential Matte Lip Ink Smudge Free. So I really love this lip shade which I'm wearing right now, but I am not happy with this lip gloss. I don't know, I didn't like it's a kind of sticky, so I'm not happy with the lip gloss though, but I'm really happy with this lipstick, and it costed me around 200. It is of 200 bucks, and sale me I think it costed me around 160 or 180. I will mention the link, or else I'll mention the price in description box. So next product is from Sivana Colors, and it is Makeup Studio Pro Blush and Contour and Highlighter. So this is such a travel friendly product in which you receive blush, highlighter, eyeshadow and also contour. So I really love this product, and this is my second buy of the same. Next product I have is from Wadi Herbals. It is rose soap. I have never used this product though. I wanted to try this soap from a very long time, since the time I have read the reviews about my co-bloggers, and I just really wanted to try and see how it goes, since it is handmade soap with essential oils. So it costed me around 156, and I think in sale or somewhere around it costed me around 120 to 130. So I'll drop the link of the same. Now the next two products are one of my favorite products which I am using it from a very long time, and that is from Requil. It is Pit Stop Gel and Skin Radiance Cream. This both are my favorites of this brand, and I'm using this from a very long time, and I really love this product. So since मेरे पास जो था वो ख़त्म हो चुका था, so I wanted to restock it, and I got my hands on this, and सेल भी है तो अच्छा खासा डिस्काउंट मिल गया था. It is of Skin Radiance Cream, costed me around 490, and this costed me 590. So yeah, it's good, and I use it for at least 6 to 7 months. Next is this contour. I always wanted to try a purple contour because of how cute it looks, and this is Secret Keeper Foundation Concealer Contour Color Corrector Stick. It costed me around 335 bucks, and let me show you. Yeah, this is how cute it is, and it's mini contour stick. I love how cute it looks, and the packaging of it. So I just wanted to buy this and check how it goes on with my skin. So I would let you know on my next video whether I loved using this product or not. So next product is one of my favorite product, and that is from Dot and Key. That is their Dot and Key hand cream sanitizer and moisturizer. Again, such a cute packaging, such a cute look. I really love that packaging, and this is so easy travel friendly product, and I really love the smell of this. It's really amazing. I cannot stay without this product. It's always there in my bag, and yeah, I really love, so I wanted to restock this. So next product is from Maybelline Fit Me. That is matte poreless normal to oily primer with clay. Again, very handy product, very useful product for all of us, because without primer we tend to apply foundation and all, it becomes cakey, and our skin usually gets up very dry. So this is of 500 bucks, and I think it's sale. I got a discount. I got it around 400, 450. I think 450. So yeah, again, much needed product, and I wanted to restock this. So guys, next product is from one of my favorite brand, of course, and one of my favorite product, that is from McCaffeine bathing bars. So initially, before I had received this product to review, and I was so happy that they sent me this product, and I was so happy to use this product, and all the 3 bars I finished it off in 1 or 2 months, since the fragrance of it is too good. अगर कोई नहीं नहाता है रोज़ तो वो भी नहाएगा. इट इज़ दैट गुड, आई मस्ट से. सो लेट मी शो यू द. So this is how the packaging is. This is how it looks, and look at this, so cute. So I'm totally in love with this product. So it costed me around, I think somewhere around 1097 rupees. So next product we have is Wow vitamin C face wash, foaming face wash. I really love the applicator of this. It's very soft, and it exfoliates the dead skin, and I really love this face wash. I've been using this from a while now. So it helps in lighten and brighten skin tone, helps fade age spots, reduces fine lines, helps smoothen the complexion. So again, I love this product, and if you want an in-depth video, let me know in the comment section below. This product is Colossal Bold Liner. This costed me around 249 bucks. So I could not resist myself. I wanted to use this today itself. So I have used this today, and I really love the how it is on my skin. It is not smudge free though, and it is matte black liner. So I'm loving this product as well. Next product I have Maybelline Fit Me. So again, very useful product for me. My skin type, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, so this works very well for me, and it is matte plus poreless powder up to 12-hour oil control powder, since I have a oily skin type, so it works really well on me. Next product is the Colossal Volume Express Mascara. So the name itself says that it gives a good volume to the eyelashes, and I'm really loving this mascara. I've been using from past 3 years now, and I have not switched on to any other product after this. So again, one of my favorite products. So the next product is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily SPF 22 foundation. I'm in the shade 220, and this costed me around 300 bucks. And yeah, this is mini foundation, easy travel friendly. Also it suits my skin, and I love how beautifully it covers the dark circles and enhances the skin. Yes, again, one of my favorite product. I wanted to restock this. So yeah, this product is from Lakme Sun Expert. I really love this sunscreen. This is SPF 50++, and ultra matte gel. So this is gel kind of consistency, but trust me guys, if you start using this sunscreen, I'm sure you would not go for the other one. This absorbs very quickly. It's non-sticky, and it's all skin types. That means even normal to dry skin people, anyone can use this. So it costed me around it costed me around 490 bucks, and yeah, this works really well on my skin. And sunscreen, it's very important. We all need to put this sunscreen even when we are at home, or when we step out, even for a bit, still we need to apply the sunscreen. So again, a thumbs up to this product. Okay, so next product I have is from Irish, and that is this Chotu Sa lenses. Let me show you how cute they are. I am in the turquoise. This is turquoise, and let me show you. Yeah, look at this. Aren't they cute? Actually, I have a bunch of lenses, but I never put on. But I love buying though. I have got so many lenses. As a PR also, I have received so many lenses, but I have never tried. I would definitely try this one. If you guys want to know how this looks on me, definitely comment below. So I would definitely try this out and let you guys know. So finally we have come to the last product, and that is Bioderma Micellar Water. Again, after applying so much of makeup, it's really important to use the right micellar water, or to use the right cream, or makeup remover product, so that our makeup removes out quickly, and it also doesn't dry up our skin and moisturize it it very well. So this is from Bioderma what I use, and I've been using from past so many years now, and I'm loving this product because how it works on my skin, and how it doesn't make my skin dry out, yeah, this is really worth the money. So I will drop down the link of this as well, and I really don't remember of how much it is, so I will let you guys in the description as well. So guys, by this we come to an end of our video. I enjoyed thoroughly creating this video. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video out, and if you did enjoy, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update of my new videos. Also guys, comment below your favorite products or what all you shop from Nykaa and Purple Sale. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.